Good morning. Feelings check. Dropping in. What I'm noticing today is that I have this pain around my heart, this heaviness, this bittersweetness. As well as joy. And the beautiful thing is, it's such an indication, as all feelings are, about what's going on in my head. And what's going on in my head is that a lot of wonderful, exciting things are coming up. I've been asked to do meditations at sunrise. I've been asked to run new workshops, to speak. And my head is making up a lot of stories about how scary that is. So with all love and compassion, I'm parenting this, letting her know she's safe, and letting this know that it's not in charge, that I've got this and we're good. What's happening in your world, in your heart and in your head today?